step by step detailed tutorial of how we did this braided wig cap. As you can see, it came out so beautiful. So guys, these are the products we are going to be using. We have our wig cap, our crochet pin, and our crochet hair. Okay, our packet hair. So yes guys, we're going to be turning the cap upside down, as you can see, and then we are going to place it in the middle. Guys, you know that this work, you have to do a lot of calculation. If you no know maths, you go fit do this kind of work. Oh, as long as you are an hairstylist. In short, most businesses you have to learn how to calculate. You have to, you know, use your tongue to count your teeth so that you will not make mistake, especially when you are working on a client. Okay. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm just passing the crochet pin, then collect my hair and pass it back. Finish, guys. That is all we are doing for today's video. Finish, and then we're going to pass it back again, collect the edge, you know, to pass it back and then drag it down. Guys, finish. I don't know, just watch the video and understand. Okay, just watch the video and understand. So what I'm doing here, I'm counting into that it's going to be even, it's going to be equal, that one side will not be longer than one side. Okay, so yes, I want it to be even. As you can see, guys, I think I did 14 steps or 15 steps, I cannot recall. Well, just do what works for you and your clients. Okay, you know that the size of my head or the size of your client's head, the size of your head is not the same thing. Okay, so just work with what works for you. Okay, yeah. So guys, stay tuned. Today's video is very detailed, and I have an information that I want to let you guys know. So just stay tuned. Okay, yeah. So we've measured it, and then now we are going to continue. Just follow the lines back. Okay, yeah. Guys, I just, I don't know if I'm covering what I'm showing you guys. Okay, I just hope you are understanding and getting this video clearly. Then, as you can see, I try to view it closely so that we can view every details. So, like I said earlier, just pass your crochet pin in between your hair, and then you collect the hair in between the cap, and then you collect the hair and then you pass it back, and that is all, guys. And guys, as you can see, it's very equal and even. And then one other advice I'm going to be advising you guys, I think you should open it fully. I'm going to be showing you guys shortly. Okay, it is very advisable for you to open it fully. As you can see, I'm trying to pass this one and it's passing you know across the place it's not supposed to, on the front part. As you can see, I'm already spoiling my cap here already, so I have to lose that particular one. I have to lose it up. This particular one here, I'm going to lose it because it has passed the line, it has crossed the line that is not supposed to cross. Okay, so the best is to open it fully, just the way I'm doing it now. Open the cap fully so that there will be no stress. Just pass your work and then you're good to go. I hope I'm making sense, guys. Hope you are understanding what I'm talking about. So I'm going to loosen it now and then redo it again. As you can see, I'm done losing it, and then we're going to be redoing it again. And this time around, it's going to be perfect. Okay, yes. So guys, I said I'm going to be sending you guys along the video. So what I meant is that I will advise you to, you see where this line is pointing, this hand is pointing, I will advise you to start it from there. As you can see, the place I started mine is actually a bit down. After doing your hair, it's going to drag your wig cap down, and will not want that. It's not going to look beautiful, it's not going to look perfect. So yes, I always advise you guys to start it from the middle. Don't worry, I'm going to be recreating this cap again, with another cap and with another crochet, and then you guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay, you start it from where you see this line, and it's going to be very easy for you because the line is all round. Okay, so you're just going to follow the line, and it's going to be very easy and simple. So you see how I am doing the crochet. Okay, you pass it through the through the cap, and then use your hand to support it while bringing it out. Okay, just watch the video and understand, guys. I used to say I'm not good at voiceovers, but I think I'm getting there. So you pass it out, and then use your hand. You can see what I'm doing. Just use your hand to support yourself while pushing it back. Okay, and that is basically all we did for today's video. And guys, this is the first half of the hair, but the second half of the hair, I'm going to be showing you guys what I actually did with it, okay, to make the hair fuller. So guys, this is how it is looking. Okay, looking beautiful, but it's not yet full because we've not added the remaining half, which is this one. So we're going to be adding the remaining half. So basically what we did is to be putting it in between, just the way I am doing. I'm showing you guys now. Just put it in between. Okay, and that is basically it, guys. Simple and beautiful. Okay, yeah. So guys, there's actually so many methods to do this braided wig cap. You can actually sew it in, especially when it's the face cap. Don't worry guys, I'm going to be doing a video of that. Okay, I'm going to be doing a video of that because you cannot crochet it to a face cap. You have to sew it to it. So yes, I am going to be dropping a video of it very very soon. So just stay tuned on this channel so that you can get notified. Please on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, yes, I'm going to be doing so much more on this channel. We have come to stay, guys. We have come to stay. So that is basically all we did. Just pass it in between, and I did the rest off camera to avoid this video to be too lengthy. to avoid this video to be too lengthy. Yeah. And that is basically all, guys. And guys, I actually did the rest of camera, so that this video will not be too lengthy. And yeah, this is the finished look, guys. It actually came out beautiful. So we're going to be turning our car back, and guys, look at what I'm talking about. Beauty, guys. Mention beauty. Can I hear you say beauty? This hair is very good for, you know when you are on cornrows and your hair is rough, you need to quickly rush to the supermarket or rush to go pick your child from school. You can just wear it sharp, 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 sharp. You don't go come back. There is no need for you to come be disgracing your child in his school or at school, guys. Okay, there are so many ways to style this hair. Very beautiful. Available in different color of cap and crochets. Okay, color of your braids. Okay, so just slide into my DM and then place your orders. Okay, any color of cap you want, any color of your braids you want, how you want it. You want it twisted, you want it braided, just tell me in my DM. Just slide into my DM and get this, guys. It's very cheap, it's not even expensive. Okay, just 25,000 naira, and then you're going to get this beauty. Okay, all right, guys, we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.